Okay, we're gonna go into the make or break round, is what I call it. So I'm gonna fire off some questions.
Okay.
You're gonna answer them quick, or if you want to dive into one, we can. So Apple or Android?
Apple.
Why?
Easy to use. Nice UI.
Nice UI. There you go. Favorite tech company?
Favorite tech company. I mentioned Slack. I like Slack a lot.
Slack. Yeah, I saw Uber just integrated their 30,000 man team
Did
onto
they?
that.
I
Yeah.
didn't see that. Yeah, no, I mean they're a cool company. They give you a lot, and they're everything's really easy to use, and I think they do a good job of like fixing things and rolling new things out.
Constantly testing. That's something to remember for everyone. Always test.
Definitely.
Content, software development. Favorite feature on a MacBook?
Favorite feature on a MacBook. I love the Spotlight. I love like being able.
What's a spotlight?
That's this little search thing at the top here. You can like just search.
I'll put the graphic here.
I'll
What
put
that
the
is.
graphic.
Yeah. Isn't there a command for that? It's like command space.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
The commands are nice too. The commands, you get the commands on Windows too, but
Yeah, shortcuts.
it's easier on a Mac.
And then favorite feature on an iPhone, because I know you have an iPhone.
Favorite feature on an iPhone. I like that new commands, the command center, the menu you pull down from like the top right there. And it has like just everything there. You can like brightness, turn on Wi-Fi, airplane mode.
Agreed.
Makes it easy.